Section 69 of 15,000 Useful Phrases by Grenville Kleiser, read for LibriVox.org by Stephen Lamb, Leicester, England. C. Candid, sincere, familiar, and ingenuous. Captious, petulant, peevish, and splenetic. Cautious, discreet, considerate, and provident. Certain, confident, positive, and unquestionable. Chagrin, vexation, irritation, and mortification. Character, disposition, temperament, and reputation. Charm, fascinate, bewitch, and captivate. Cheap, inexpensive, inferior, and common. Cheer, animate, vivify, and exhilarate. Chiefly, particularly, principally, and especially. Childhood, youth, manhood, and age. Circumstance, condition, environment, and surroundings. Claim, grab, trick, and compel. Clean, fastidious, frugal, and refined. Clear, distinct, obvious, and intelligible. Clumsy, crawling, snobbish, and comfort-loving. Coarse, gross, offensive, and nauseous. Coax, flatter, wheedle, and persuade. Cogitate, contemplate, meditate, and ponder. Cold, frigid, unfeeling, and stoical. Commanding, authoritative, imperative, and peremptory. Compassion, goodwill, admiration, and enthusiasm. Confirm, establish, sustain, and strengthen. Conform, submit, obey, and satisfy. Confuse, distort, involve, and misinterpret. Consistent, congruous, firm, and harmonious. Cool, collected, calm, and self-possessed. Copious, commanding, sonorous, and emotional. Cowardly, timid, shrinking, and timorous. Crazy, absurd, nonsensical, and preposterous. Crude, rough, jagged, and pitiless. D. Daring, cordial, discerning, and optimistic. Darkness, dimness, dullness, and blackness. Deadly, destructive, fatal, and implacable. Deceit, delusion, treachery, and sham. Deep, abstruse, learned, and profound. Deficient, inadequate, scanty, and incomplete. Define, explain, determine, and circumscribe. Degrade, defame, humble, and debase. Delicacy, daintiness, tact, and refinement. Delicious, sweet, palatable, and delightful. Democracy, equality, justice, and freedom. Deny, dismiss, exclude, and repudiate. Deprive, dispossess, divest, and despoil. Describe, delineate, depict, and characterize. Designed, contrived, planned, and executed. Desperate, extreme, reckless, and irremediable. Despicable, abject, servile, and worthless. Destructive, detrimental, deleterious, and subversive. Desultory, discursive, loose, and unmethodical. Detestable, abominable, horrible, and hideous. Developed, revealed, measured, and tested. Difference, disagreement, discord, and estrangement. Difficult, arduous, intricate, and perplexing. Diffuse, discursive, rambling, and wordy. Diligence, attention, industry, and assiduity. Disagreement, discrepancy, difference, and divergence. Disconsolate, desolate, pessimistic, and impossible. Discrimination, acuteness, insight, and judgment. Disgust, distaste, loathing, and abhorrence. dissatisfied, rebellious, unsettled, and satirical. Distinct, definite, clear, and obvious. Distinguished, glorious, illustrious, and eminent. Disturbed, shaken, distressed, and bewildered. Docile, tractable, compliant, and teachable. Dogmatic, bigoted, libellous, and unsympathizing. Doubt, indecision, suspense, and perplexity. Dread, disgust, repugnance, and dreariness. Dreary, dispirited, unhappy, and peevish. Dry, lifeless, tiresome, and uninteresting. Dubious, equivocal, fluctuating, and uncertain. Dull, heavy, painstaking, and conscientious. End of section 69. This recording is in the public domain.